Hello class, this is Mrs. Yalavera and welcome to the final lesson of this course that deals with expressions and equations. This final lesson will go into solving two-step equations. Yes, this is a 7th grade skill, but will come in very handy for you. So, on my course site, you were asked to watch a YouTube video that explains how to use a do-undo table. They called it a sequence undo table to solve two-step equations. So this PowerPoint that I made is going to show you how you can take what you learned in the video and how it relates to the traditional algebraic method of solving two-step equations, the ways that your teachers are going to want you to solve two-step equations. So here I have an equation, 3x plus 2 is equal to 17. So the do-undo table, or the sequence undo table, tells us to start with x. Now, using order of operations, we would multiply by 3 first, then we would add 2, and our answer is 17. So now we're going to undo, we're going to do the reverse. Now notice how the undo steps match up with our algebraic steps. So since we added 2, we need to subtract 2, and we get 15. Since we multiplied by 3, we need to divide by 3, and we get 5 as our answer. So everything that we undid in the undo column of the table is done in the algebraic method as well. Let's look at another example. Here we have x divided by 4 plus 6 is equal to 13. So using the do-undo table, we start off with x, then we would divide it by 4, then we would add 6, and we get 13 as an answer. So, again, pay close attention to the steps that are going on in the undo table and how they match up with our algebraic method. So we need to undo the plus 6 by subtracting 6. 13 minus 6 is 7. Then we need to undo dividing by 4 by multiplying by 4. So we have to do 7 times 4, which gives us 28. Let's look at a couple more examples. So here we have x divided by 5 minus 3 is equal to 12. So in our do-undo table, we start with x, we divide it by 5, subtract 3, and we get 12 as an answer. So to undo that, we start off with our answer of 12. To undo subtracting 3, we add 3 and get 15. Then to undo dividing by 5, we multiply by 5. 15 times 5 is 75. X is 75. And our final example, 7x minus 4 equals 10. So again, we start off with our x value, we multiply by 7, then we subtract 4, and we had 10 as an answer. So to undo it, and again, pay close attention to the undo table and our algebraic method. So we start off with 10, and to undo subtracting 4, we add 4, and we get 14. Then to undo the multiplication of 7, we divide by 7. 14 divided by 7 is 2. X equals 2. So, whenever you solve a two-step equation, you need to think about what needs to be undone first by using inverse operations and the reverse of order of operations. In other words, you're going to undo any addition or subtraction first, and then any multiplication or division. Please complete your assignment on Course Sites, and if you have any questions, please post on my general questions forum. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Have a good day.